Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to completely disable comments in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, we need to scroll down right here until we can see the option called Settings. Now, on our settings right here, just head over right here to Discussion. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see the discussion settings on your WordPress. So you can see this default settings, so make sure that this one is unchecked. And you can also see this right here. So you can also fill out thing and all of these things. So just head over and then just check it according to your liking. But for this one, just head over and then just uncheck this one. From in there, just head over and click on this Save Changes right here. Once this changes has been saved, let's head over to a post that we have right there. So let's head over to our post and let's click on this right there. Once we have clicked on it, we should be able to see all the posts that we have. So for example, let's open in here our food menu post. Let's just open the view right here in order to see what it looks like right now. So this will load in order to show you this. So as you can see right here, the comment section has disappeared and people will no longer be able to comment. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.